Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good today. So in today's video, I am actually going to do a fresh face everyday skincare routine. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys a very simple skincare routine that I have been following every single morning. It is extremely simple, it is extremely hydrating and nourishing, especially for the winter season. It's one of the best routines that I have been following, and as you can see, I have already done it actually. So yeah, as you can see, my skin is so hydrated and so fresh, and I am just ready to start the day. So yeah, I really have been loving this routine a lot, and I just thought of sharing it with you guys. So yeah, let's move on with the video now. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it here. I hope you like the vibe. I hope you like the content. And in case you end up liking my content, you can hit the subscribe button, along with that the notification bell as well. So let's get on with the video. So before starting, I do want to say I am filming today in natural lighting. So everything that you see here, my skin and everything, it's in natural lighting. I just have the camera and some natural lighting going on, and that's it. So first off, I want to say that I have been incorporating hyaluronic acid in my skincare routine. Now you guys know I do use quite a lot of actives in my skincare routine, especially in my nighttime skincare routine. I use, like, sometimes I'll use the salicylic acid and then some exfoliators, chemical exfoliators. So what happens is that I do need that moisture and hydration in my skin, or else my skin is just going to have so much of dark patches. My skin barrier isn't going to be good, it's going to hamper my skin barrier. A lot of actives tend to do that. So it's very important that you do use or incorporate hyaluronic acid in your skincare routine. So that is what I do in my morning skincare routine. I incorporate hyaluronic acid in my morning, or you can incorporate it at night as well, but I like to incorporate it in my morning skincare routine. So hyaluronic acid is an amazing ingredient because it locks in moisture into your skin, and it just makes your skin looking very plump, hydrated, glowing, and over time your skin texture is also going to improve when you're incorporating hyaluronic acid. Like, after a few months, you're going to notice a difference in your skin texture and how your skin feels. So after 20s, it's very important that you incorporate hyaluronic acid in your skincare routine. I actually have been incorporating hyaluronic acid just very recently, and I have already seen how plumped and nourished my skin has been looking. And also, I do want to say that, even if you have oily skin, obviously I have dry skin and I love incorporating hyaluronic acid, but even if you have oily skin, you are going to love incorporating hyaluronic acid too. And you guys know dermats actually love hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid has been incorporated in so many skincare and nowadays in makeup products as well. So definitely one of my favorite ingredient too. So today in this video, I will be using the L'Oreal Paris hyaluronic acid range. So the cleanser, I am going to use the hyaluronic acid serum, and I'm going to use the hyaluronic acid cream as well. So for the first step, I am going to use the L'Oreal Paris. This is the hydrating gel cleanser, and it has hyaluronic acid in it. As you can see, the consistency of this cleanser is very gel consistency. It is very soothing on the skin, and as for someone who has dry skin, it is absolutely amazing because it doesn't dry out my skin at all. It takes out all the impurities and all the makeup off my skin, and it feels very fresh, but it doesn't dry out my skin at all, which I absolutely love. And as you can see, it does foam up a little bit, and it just cleanses my skin really well. The hyaluronic acid cleanser has creamy and ultra fine foam that penetrates the pores and cleanses the impurities and makeup residue. The gentle gel technology actually cleanses the skin without drying out. So this cleanser is obviously going to suit dry skin people, but if you have oily skin, you are still going to love it. I actually have tried a few hyaluronic acid gel cleansers in the market, but this one has been my favorite because it is so gentle on my skin, and yeah, it just feels fresh, like it has that soothing kind of a feeling to it. So that's why I really do like this a lot. After using the cleanser, I am actually going to use the hyaluronic acid serum. Now I am going to use the moisture sandwich technique. If you guys haven't tried this technique, oh my god, you guys need to, because this actually has changed my skincare game. And what you have to do is you have to leave your skin a little bit damp, and then you have to apply your hyaluronic acid serum on top of your damp skin. So the next product here is the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So this has 1.5% concentration of hyaluronic acid in it. It doesn't have fragrance, it doesn't have parabens, so it is suitable for all skin types. And not only that, the consistency, as you can see, it's amazing. So it's going to just seep into your skin and get absorbed so well. And the best thing I like about this is that it's not sticky. I really don't like anything that's sticky on my skin. So it is not sticky, it is not heavy on the skin, it just gets absorbed like water. And also this was actually the first product to launch from the whole range of their hyaluronic acid. As you can see, I am applying the hyaluronic acid serum and just massaging it gently into my skin. It absorbs so quickly, within minutes it's just going to get absorbed. And as you can see, my skin just feels so fresh and hydrated after using this. So after using the L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Serum, I am going to move in with the Hyaluronic Acid Cream. So this is the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluronic Acid Day Cream. So as you can see, first of all, the consistency of this is so amazing. It is like gel-like consistency that just gives you so much of hydration. And not only that, it feels very cloud-like, I would say. On the skin, it is super lightweight. It is not only going to just seep into your skin and absorb, it is going to provide you with so much hydration, and it's just going to make your skin look plump and moisturized throughout the day. So this cream actually comes with micro hyaluronic acid molecules, which is able to penetrate deeper into the skin for higher efficiency. It is actually non-sticky, as you can see, non-oily, and absorbs very quickly. It is the perfect texture for this kind of weather, and especially if you are someone who applies makeup, you are just going to love this. And you can just apply any type of foundation or BB cream right on top of this cream, and you do not have to go in with another step of using a primer or anything of that sort. So after adding the whole hyaluronic acid range from L'Oreal, as you can see, my skin, this is how my skin is looking. It is looking so plump, hydrated, radiant, and super fresh. It is a perfect morning skincare routine that I have been doing, and by adding this product into my skincare routine, I have seen that my skin has improved its texture as well. So the hyaluronic acid cleanser is actually available in two sizes, one for 50 ml which retails for 175 rupees, and the 100 ml, which is this one, retails for 315 rupees. And this one, the hyaluronic acid serum, actually comes in two sizes as well. One comes in 15 ml which retails for 499 rupees, and this one actually has 30 ml in it, which retails for 999. Hyaluronic acid gel creams also come in two sizes, which retails for the 15 ml retails for 499, and this size, which is the 30 ml, retails for 999. So in case you just want to give this a try, you can go for the smaller sizes, or you can get the bigger size as well. I will leave all the links in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check it out. So the next step actually for me is to use a sunscreen. I never skip sunscreen at all. I in fact reapply my sunscreen whenever I am not wearing any makeup. I reapply it throughout the day. So I am going to use the DermaCo. This is the sunscreen aqua gel, and it has 50 SPF in it. So as you can see, the texture of this sunscreen is extremely light on the skin, yet it keeps my skin hydrated as well, and it goes with the products that I have used previously with the L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Serum range. It goes with that product really well. And as you can see, after applying the sunscreen, I do take a very good amount of sunscreen, and it just seeps into my skin really well. And as you can see, my skin definitely looks very fresh and radiant after using the sunscreen. The last step in my skincare routine is to use a lip balm. Now I'm going to use the Plum. This is the Red Velvet Love, I think so. Yeah, this is the Red Velvet Love, and it is a tinted lip balm. You can use any sort of lip balm or Vaseline that you have, but lately I have been loving this Plum lip balm, and it just hydrates my lips. It just makes it look very nice, very fresh, and obviously it's tinted, so it's going to give you a little bit of a pinkish red kind of a tint on your lips as well. So as you can see up close, this is how my face looks like after using everything on my skin. So simple, so easy, but it is super effective. I feel like my skin just feels so much better when I do this routine, and when I just keep my skin very hydrated. It's not sticky at all. It just has that nourishment in it, and it is extremely important to keep your skin hydrated and nourished. Doesn't matter if it's winter or if it's summers. It's extremely important that you keep your skin hydrated at all times. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I am super thankful and happy that L'Oreal did partner up with me for today's video. I do enjoy these products a lot, and you guys have been seeing my skin, bare skin, and you guys have seen that my skin texture has improved so much, and these products surely have been helping me with that. And as you can see, it's like there is a very less skin texture and a lot less acne these days, because it's extremely important that if you're using a lot of actives at night, it's extremely important that you keep your skin hydrated and nourished too. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. That was it for today's video, and yeah, bye bye.